So a couple things have changed in the last couple weeks. I wanted to show you guys what I picked up for the S2000. I got this brand new Sparco QRT-R seat. It weighs under 10 pounds and I'm really liking it so far. I first tried to install it with sliders, and being a little over 6 feet, I was a little too tall. I was sitting too high. So it's mounted in a fixed position, but the height is perfect and I'm really happy with it. So if you've seen my last video, you'll see that I got first place in all-wheel drive in the Subaru. And I have the BBS wheels here. I'm actually putting them up for sale. And I picked a heck of a time, but I sold my Subaru. As you can see, some things have changed around here. I no longer have the Subaru. I picked up an FK8 Type R, and so far it's been really amazing.